Ito. What kind of father do you want to be when you're older? I want to be a father that's like a friend. My father was a really harsh and very strict person. I want to be my son's friend from when he's really young, and I want to go traveling and make lots of memories with him. I also want to dress my son up really nicely. Oh my God, Yuki, that's not very touching. Pero di ba kailangan mo muna ng asawa para magkaroon ng anak? Eh, willing naman kasi akong maging nanay. Oh my gosh! Hindi, wala ka narinig, Jimin. Jimin, wala ka narinig. Ba't ganun? Ang weird! At bakit weird naman talaga, Jimin? Yan ang tinatawag na rap mother. Just gawin lang. Hoy, ayaw mag-comment! Hoy! Yan. Rap mom. Yaman na. V, please spell ambulance. A, M, B, faster! Wheel! Yun pala yung hawag na! Okay, is it me or ang corny? Corny pero natawagan ko ba? Oh my gosh, part 2. An adorable fuckable. Oh my god! No! Oh no! No! No, you did not! No! 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 Ang ina mo! Ayaw ko na! Expectation versus reality. Ano bang na-expect nyo? Bakla naman talaga yun. Sabi ko sa inyo, baling yun. Wow! Mukha siyang matanda dito. Luging-luging yung itsura ni Viv. Okay, 7-Eleven ba yan? Joke lang. Grabe! Wait, mukha siyang babae. What the? Di ako marunong mag-bike. Grabe yung Johnson nila, no? Tingnan mo. Ala? 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 Ang ganda ni V! Oh, ang ganda ni V tsaka ni Jean. Ayoko na, putang ina. Ayoko na. Hindi na ako army. Ganda nila eh. Uy! Oh shit! Oh my god! Like, the back line. Oh my. What does Jimmy not have? A. Jams. B. Jungkook. C. Height. D. Balls. Hindi ba dapat ang tanong, what does Jimin has? What does Jimin have? Ang sagot, wala. Okay. Kwento mo sa elepante ni Taylor. Kwento mo? Alam ko ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano ako nakapasok sa fandom na to. Namjoon,